BNB, Binance Coin, is one of the most popular and widely used cryptocurrencies in the world. Originally launched as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, BNB has since evolved into the native cryptocurrency of Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain, BSC, now known as BNB Chain. 1. What is BNB used for? BNB serves multiple purposes within the Binance ecosystem, including transaction fee discounts. Users get discounts on trading fees when paying with BNB on Binance. BNB Chain gas fees. BNB is used to pay for transaction fees on BNB Smart Chain, BSC. Staking and rewards. Holders can stake BNB to earn passive income. Token burns. Binance conducts periodic burns, destroying a portion of BNB supply to maintain scarcity. DeFi and dApps. BNB powers decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts on BSC. 2. BNB versus BSC. What's the difference? BNB is the cryptocurrency itself. BNB Smart Chain, BSC, is a blockchain that supports smart contracts, similar to Ethereum but with lower fees. 3. Why is BNB valuable? Utility. High demand due to its use in trading, DeFi, and NFTs. Scarcity. Regular token burns reduce supply, increasing potential value. Binance backing. As Binance's native token, it benefits from the exchange's massive user base. 4. How to buy and store BNB. You can buy BNB on Binance, KuCoin, or decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like PancakeSwap. Store it in wallets like Rust Wallet, MetaMask, or Binance's official wallet. BNB is more than just a cryptocurrency, it's the fuel for one of the largest blockchain ecosystems. Whether you're trading, staking, or using DeFi, BNB offers real utility and growth potential.